NFTs, crypto, and the metaverse. Should you invest? Welcome to the future. In 2010, Bitcoin was worth less than $1. In 2021, an NFT of a pixelated punk sold for over $11 million. Today, virtual land in the metaverse is selling for more than homes in real life. Crazy or the future? Let's be honest, we've all seen it. That one friend who turned a $500 crypto bet into $50,000 and now won't stop talking about it. Or the headlines screaming, the next big thing. But beneath the hype, the noise, and the memes, is there a real opportunity here? Are NFTs, crypto, and the metaverse the new gold rush, or just digital distractions? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you won't just understand this space, you'll know exactly if, how, and when to invest in it. And no, you don't need to buy a monkey JPEG to build wealth. The strategy, what you must know. Let's talk crypto. Is it still worth it? Cryptocurrency isn't just about making quick flips. It's about decentralized finance, cutting out banks, borders, and bureaucracy. Think of it like this: money without middlemen, power without permission, and for a generation raised during recessions, layoffs, and inflation, that's a revolution. Yes, it's volatile. Yes, it's risky, but it's also where real innovation is happening. Would you have invested in the internet in the 90s if you knew what it would become? Exactly. So where do you start? Look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're the Apple and Microsoft of crypto. Not sexy, but strong. Would you rather ride a Lamborghini to the moon or take a sturdy rocket that actually lands? Let that sink in. NFTs, digital hype or future assets. NFTs aren't just overpriced art. They're proof of ownership in the digital age. Imagine owning exclusive rights to music online courses, event access, real estate contracts. Even your digital identity NFTs are the receipts of the internet. And in a world that's becoming more digital by the second, receipts matter. Sure, 99% of NFT projects are garbage, but so were 99% of .com companies in 1999. So the real question is, can you spot the Amazon in a sea of pets.com? If you can, you win big. The metaverse, fantasy world, or economic frontier. This is where things get really interesting. The metaverse is not just a game, it's a new layer of the internet. Big tech, Meta, Apple, Nvidia, they're all investing billions. Why? Because when attention moves, money follows. People are already attending concerts, buying virtual real estate, selling digital fashion, building businesses, all in the metaverse. But is it time to invest, or is it still too early? There's a strategy to investing early without getting burned. We'll get to that in just a second. The risks most people ignore. Let's slow down. Yes, the upside is massive, but the landmines, even bigger if you're not careful. Crypto scams, rug pulls, FOMO investing. This space rewards knowledge and punishes ignorance. So ask yourself, do you understand what you're buying? Do you have an exit plan? Are you investing or just gambling with prettier chips? Coming up, how to build a smart, strategic portfolio in this world, even if you're just starting with $100. Because remember, fear keeps people poor, but reckless excitement does too. The plan, what to do next, how to invest in Web3. Wisely, the game plan. Here's your action blueprint. Start with education. Follow real builders. Read white papers. Skip the Twitter hype bros. Pick your entry points. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Long-term plays. Select NFTs, utility greater than hype metaverse assets. Only if you understand the ecosystem, keep it under 10% of your net worth. This is high risk, high reward. Don't bet your rent money, secure everything. Hardware wallets, two-factor authentication, treat it like your digital vault. Humor. Unless you want a 14-year-old hacker named XX Crypto Slayer, 420XX draining your account, take security seriously. Here's the truth. You don't have to go all in on crypto, NFTs, or the metaverse, but you can't afford to ignore them anymore. Because whether you believe in it or not, the digital economy is coming, And those who understand it early, don't just invest in it, they own it. If you're ready to build real wealth in the digital world, hit that like button. Subscribe for smart money moves every single week. And comment below. Are you investing in crypto, NFTs, the Metaverse, or still on the fence? Stay curious, stay strategic, and I'll see you in the next one.